part of this. Killing every MC and formerly known artists. Shake up shit like Parkinson's. Fly the magic carpet is. All the pretty ladies stick my dick inside your orifices and follow me like Morpheus. A bitch get lost like Tauruses. The feeling's quite euphorious. This shit damn near notorious. Official poet laureate. My gift from God is glorious. I own my shit, so the dues I pay are strictly for my mortgages. I go and hold like tortoises. Come back out with more of this. Forever on my Jordan shit. I'm fly, check my coordinates. Make you my subordinate. This shit here hot as porridges. Burn it down like forests and hang around like ornaments. Master of the tournaments. I'm on my Tiger Woods shit. Line bitches and Nike fitters. With me, I keep a hood bitch like Manny Fresh. I'm hood rich. Might wanna get your wool rich. Colder than the cooler gets. And looking at my Mueller, it's about time and I wasted some. Karma what I'm racing from. Money what I'm chasing, huh? Cause the pussy will keep waiting.